You understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay, let's take a look at the question here. Finding volume of frustum. The figure shows a frustum which is obtained by removing the smaller cone OAB with base radius 6 cm from the bigger cone OCB that has a base radius of 18 cm. Given that the height of the smaller cone is 5 cm, find the volume of this guy left behind. Now I'm going to write down the dimension because a lot of people cannot recognize that this is actually similar triangles. Okay, now I want all to look at the board. Okay, now they say this small cone has got radius 6 cm, right? How about the big one? What's the radius? Huh? 18. Okay, good. What is this height that they have given you? How much is that? 5 cm, right? 5 cm. Now, do you agree if I join here, I can get two similar triangles? Can you see that? Now, what is my intention? My intention is to get the volume of this bottom one, right? Okay? Now, do you all agree that the volume of the bottom one is actually volume of the whole cone minus volume of the small cone? Can you see what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay, now I'm going to write down something here. Now, the top one, the small cone, is very easy. Volume of small cone will be 1/3 times pi times 6 squared times 5, right? Because they do not require the exact answer, I can leave it in terms of pi. What do you mean by leave it in terms of pi? That means you leave pi there, don't need to plug in any value. Okay, can you key for me? Do you get this as 16 pi? Is this 16 pi? Is this 60 pi? So, the volume of the small cone is 60 pi cm3. Okay, now I'm going to draw something here. I have the small triangle and the big triangle. Alright. One way is to go and find the height of the big triangle, right? Alright, yes or no? Let this be h. Now, how would I find h over 5? Alright, I cube. I'll find the volume, right? But do you think this works? Do you think this works? Because I don't know the volume of the big one, so I cannot use this one. Can you see? It doesn't mean that once you see volume, you must go and find volume first. Everybody clear here? Now, my aim is to find out what is what? H first. So I must use similar triangles. When I use similar triangles to find length, do I square or cube? I don't, right? Just that the lengths are in proportion. Okay? So, what I do is this. H over 5 is equal to 18 over 6. Right? Can you see that? So, H is 18 over 6 times 5. So, this is 15 cm, right? Alright. Yes or no, class? So, how do I get the area of the frustum? The big one, right? Half pi r squared h 15 minus half pi r squared h 5, right? I'll get the remaining one. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now, what if people don't want to use this? They want to use volume instead. Also can, right? Correct? Also can. So how? Now, this is the more direct way. I just find the height. I can get the volume of the small cone, volume of the big cone, right? That I minus off. This is actually method 2 in your textbook. The next page. Okay, now, if I want to use volume, okay, if I want to use volume, I know that the small cone, this volume is pi, then this volume I don't know, correct? Yes or no? So I let this volume be V2. Is it okay? Alright? So V2 over 60 pi must be 18 over 6 cube, right? Okay? Then I can find out V2 also, correct? Then I just minus off 60 pi and get the cross stroke. Do you understand? I'm just providing you two ways of solving the same question. Everybody okay? Can understand what I'm talking about? Can or cannot? Now, one thing I want to caution you, if you are comparing length, you are just comparing length in the same ratio. But if you are comparing volume, then you got to cube it. Understand? Don't take it for granted. Everybody okay? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay, so this is your example 5. You can read through the whole solution down there. It's perfectly fine. Okay? Now, next, can we look at example 6? We have two spheres. Spheres are always similar because they all have only one dimension, and that's the radius. Okay? Now, there are two spheres here. But this time around, they give you the best. Let's take a look. Two solid spheres of diameters 4 meters and 5 meters are made of the same material. Given that the smaller sphere has a mass of 120 kilograms, find the mass of the larger sphere. Now, just now I say, right, mass is the same as what? Volumes ratio, right? Okay, so I have the small sphere. This one, the diameter is what? 4 meter. This one, the diameter is what? 5 meter. This one, the mass is 120. This one, the mass is what? Don't know. Okay now? Yes or no? The mass we don't know. Okay. I let this one be M. M over what? M over what? 120. Good. Must be what? 5 over 4 what? 2. You know in Excel what you do? You just take 5 over 4, you forget the cube. You understand? Then you are in trouble because you're just taking direct proportion and not cube. You didn't cube it. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay? So after that, you just plug in back accordingly. Look at the answer on page 173. It will give you 2, 3, 4, 3 over 8 kilograms. Everybody clear? You just solve it, you'll do. I don't need to teach you how to press calculator. You should be able to press calculator. But all these steps must be there. Okay? Now I want to ask you, is this presentation correct? You might like that this one. Only 5 cube over 4. You must remember, this one is important. You are cubing the whole thing. Everybody clear? Can or cannot? Okay? Then I want to ask, some people write like that. Is it okay? Yes, but indices is okay. But I want to know if this is okay. No, don't write so big. You understand? Don't write so big. So those people who are guilty of this, please take note. Alright? Okay, so are we clear with this example? Okay, good. The last example, which is example 7. This is by far the most difficult one. I'm going to explain it properly on the board. Okay, I want to take 3 minutes to read through the question first. While I draw the diagram on the board. Solving problems involving similar bodies. Okay? I'm just going to draw the inverted cone here. And this one is actually filled up with water. This is the height of the cone, which is 4 cm. Okay? Now let's take a look at the question. The figure shows an inverted conical container of height 4 cm. It contains volumes of water which is equal to 1/8 of its full capacity. That means the volume of water inside here is 1/8 of the whole volume. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? right? This will be what? 1/8, right? The question say 1/8, right? I'm talking to you. Can I? So this will be a 1/8b cm cube, right? Now why do I want to write this? So that we are clearer. Actually, if you are clear about it, you don't even have to write the b straight away 1/8. Everybody clear with what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay, I'm going to write now. All look up. D over 4, when I cube it must be 1/8b over b, right? Can see the volume. Okay, now why do I write this? Because some people are better with this. Now if you can see it straight away, right, the v and b will cancel off more. This side will leave 1/8. If you straight away leave 1/8 also can, that means you already understood the ratio of the volume. But if not, you write like that, it is clearer, please write like that. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Alternatively, what can I have? If I have v here, what's this? This one become 8d, right? Agree, because this is 1/8 now. Agree with what I'm saying? If this is v here, this guy will be 8d, right? Okay, now, so I have b over 4 is 1/8. This one cube, right? So what do I have? D over 4 is cube root 1/8, right? What is D? Cube root 1/8 times what? 4. This is 1/2, so D is actually 2, right? Can you see it? So D, the depth of the water, is actually 2 cm. Are we clear so far? Are we clear so far? Yes or no? Now, what I'm worried about this class is that if you cannot see, then straight away you get stuck. You don't get stuck. You gotta let it be something, then you can see clearer. Is that clear with what I'm saying here? Yes or no? Okay, now next part, part B or part 2. It says the ratio of the top surface of the water to the area of the top surface of the container. Now what do we have? That means I want this surface to this surface, right? Agree, class? Yes or no? I want that surface to that surface. Agree? Okay. Now, the question is, if you can find D, it's fine. Okay? Let me show you what if you find D and you don't find D, then what will happen? D just now we found out is what? 2. So, I want this area over this area, right? I let this area be A1, this area be A2. So, A1 over A2 must be 2 over 4 square, right? So, A1 over A2 must be half square, right? What's A1 over A2? 1 over 4. So, A1 is to A2 will be 1 is to 4. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Okay, now, what if they only give you the volume? Okay, you don't know this, and they still want you to find A1, A2. You can find? Still can find, huh? Still can find, right? Okay, I show you, huh? Can I let this be L1? Let this be what? L2, right? Correct, because I'm talking to you. Yes or no? Okay, now I'm going to do it here. All of you look up. If I didn't find, what will I do? L1 over L2 cube must be 1 over B over B, right? So what's L1 over L2? It will be cube root of 1 over 8, right? Can you see it? Because this is 1 over 8, huh? Right? So L1 over L2 is what? 1 over 2, right? So, can you tell me what is B1? Sorry, no, A. What is A1 over A2? It must be what? L1 over L2, what? Square root. So, it's half square. Now, can you see I can still get it? of you're sleeping, right? You cannot understand what I'm saying. Don't ask me, I will not tell you because it's your own fault. Do you understand? You're wasting my time, that's all. Oh? Okay, now. So, what is the moral of the story here? I'm going to show you two cases here. If you are given A1 over A2, can you find L1 over L2? What do? You square root this, you can get, right? Okay. Yes or no? You square root this, you can get this, right? Now, if you're given V1 over V2, can you get L1 over L2? Yes, right. What do here? You just keep root. So actually, after you get this one, you can find either one, right? Depending on which one they give you. So don't say they give me volume, they want you to find area, I cannot find. You can find the length first, then go to area. So this is the one that you should take note of. Everybody clear? Yes or no? Go first. Now, if I give you V1 over V2 is 8 over 27. What is L1 over L2? Focus for me. Cube, right? So we come up 2 over 3, right? Then I want to ask, what is A1 over A2? I square this thing, right? So 4 over 9. Understand? Likewise, if I tell you A1 over A2 is 4 over 9, what is L1 over L2? It will be 2 over 3, right? Then I can get the V1 over V2. Understand? So this is something that you must learn. Everybody okay? Everybody okay? Can or cannot? Cannot. Okay, good. So that will be your example 7. Now, I believe I've given you some work on the notebook yesterday, right? Okay. I'm not going to scold people because I'm very tired of scolding people. How many have not done that? Hands up. I won't chop off your hands because I'm very tired. Hands up. How many have not done that? Let's be honest. If you don't raise, I go down and check, and then if it's not done, get in trouble. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you exercise 10A and 10B on a full step paper. And yesterday, the note 1 you must do. I'll give you time from now until 11:20. That means 11:50. Alright, but I said it's until 11:50. These 3 sets of work must be done by Monday. Is that okay? Don't try and tell me not okay or not okay, so cannot. I say what must do. Oh? Okay. What is the number on the content page now? I will write the 3 sets on the board, don't worry. What's the number on the content page now? 4, 5, 6. Now I write what? 4. Okay. Can you write down 4 and 5? Today's date is the 18th. Exercise 10A. Area of singular finger. Volume of singular solid. Okay. Now, I'm going to write these 2. You must do on full step. See the A or E? I can't remember A. Separately. That means 10A do alone, 10B do alone. Understand? Don't combine. Understand now? Okay. So what are you supposed to do for 10A? This is on full scale. Let me just double check. 10A, okay. 1E, 1F, number 3, 4C, 4D. Oh your God. So you think I'm so fine, you feel half an hour for what? Okay, 10B. Yesterday I gave you a notebook. Or not, haven't done. I cannot remember who already. I'm going to write. Yes. 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. This is what is supposed to be done in the notebook. Okay. I'm going to repeat, don't talk. Some people are always very careless. Don't do my questions, and when you hear me, only one question. If you consider yourself done. Okay? This is your exercise 10A homework on foolscap, exercise 10B homework on foolscap, exercise 10A homework on notebook. Understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? When do I want it? Monday, okay? Now, let me just say this. If it's clear, you don't have to draw the diagram. But if you want to label anything, you must draw the diagram. Is that clear? Don't tell me X, Y, when I don't know where is the X and where's the Y. You do follow? Yes or no, class? Yes, okay?